Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to insert page numbers in your Word documents. So it's kind of easy. I'll proceed step by step so that you can follow me better. So this is my Word document. It starts with the acknowledgement part and it continues on with the abstract, list of abbreviations, and finally here we have the chapter 1 introduction. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert page number on a specific page, starting from a specific set of pages. So normally in such a document, you will want your page number 1 to start on this page. You want your number 1 to be featured on this page. So what you need to do, it's really simple. You just bring your cursor at the start of the page here by clicking one time. Once you've done that, you need to insert a section break. So how do you do that? I recommend you, first of all, to turn on your formatting mode, but you can do that later. So what you need to do, first step is you click on page layout, you click on breaks, you go to section breaks, and you click on next page. There you are. So in order to check that everything is as it should be, you just click on home and you turn on your paragraph mark or your format mark, and you will see these symbols appearing. So if you scroll up, you will see that the section break has appeared. Very good. Now you can turn off your paragraph mark. Now once you've inserted the section break, what you need to do now, you go to insert and you click on page number. You choose where you want your page number to appear. You can choose at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. It's up to you, depending on your circumstance. Now, as you can see, there are different options available. The first option, it is at the top on the left, the second one in the middle, and the third one on the right-hand side of the page. So I'll choose the one in the middle. So you just click, and you will see the page number appearing here. However, you will notice that it is number 4, whereas it should have been number 1. So how do you fix that? It's very easy. You will see here on the design tab, you will see here on the navigation section, there is link to previous. Okay, so link to previous is highlighted. This part is highlighted. So what you do, you just turn it off. To turn it off, you click one time and there it disappears. However, our page number is still on the 4th page. So how do you fix that? You go to insert, you click. Again, you click on page number. However, this time we won't insert page. We won't go at the top of the page or bottom of the page. You come directly to format page number, which is here, and you click. Once you click here, you choose the option Start At, and you choose page 1. Normally, by default, it comes on page 1, and you just click OK. So there you are. It's featuring number 1 here, and you double click on your page. There you go. It's page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and page number 4. And you will notice that at the start of the document, it's still page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and again, it restarts with page number 1. So in such a case, normally you should erase the page numbers on the first section. So how do you do that? You just select it and you delete. There you are. So there you are. There's no page numbers on these previous pages. So here it is, guys. Now what you can do, normally on the pages of acknowledgement at the start of any document, normally there are page numbers. However, it's not numbers, in fact. It's for example, you can choose Roman numbers and so on. So if you want, you can insert Roman numbers. So how do you do that? You just double click, or without doing that, you just click at the start of the page where you want to insert the Roman number. You click on insert, you go to page number, okay. You go to format page number, you choose the Roman numbers, and you click start at 1, you do okay. Again, you come on page number, you click on top of the page, and you choose this one, the middle one. So there you are, the number appearing in Roman style. You double click, so you will notice that this is first page. For the second page as well, it is Roman. For the third page as well, it is Roman. However, here on the page of the introduction, the number 1 remains, number 2 remains, and so on. So this is why it is important for you to insert a section break, as I did in this tutorial. It just divides your document into 2 different sections. So whatever modification you want to do on the first section will not affect those on the second section. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you liked it. And if you have any topic, any suggestion you want me to do a video on, just leave a comment below. Peace.